Hey guys, welcome back. Redmi, a sub-brand owned by the Chinese electronics company Xiaomi, is about to launch a fitness tracker in India very soon. This is not Mi Band, this is a completely different fitness tracker. Recently, Weibo tipster digital chat station claims to have uncovered an image of this Redmi fitness tracker which has allegedly been derived from Xiaomi's Mi Fit app. This leak depicts a rather squared off version of a kind of fitness band that slots into a compatible silicon band. This makes sense too, as Mi Band have more of a roundish edge, so as to differentiate Mi Band from Redmi, they have gone with this design choice. It will come in black and have small display surrounded by thick bezels. It will also have a capacitive button at the bottom of the screen which is visible as a thin white line. It looks similar to Huawei Band 4. Information found within the app says the fitness tracker will have changeable watch faces, an alarm function, a heart rate sensor, support for payment via NFC, and also supports controlling music player. There is no information about voice assistant support as of yet. The fitness tracker may hit a new milestone since it may come with a price tag lower than that of Mi Band series. Unfortunately, we have no information on when it will launch. However, a new certification of the Bureau of Indian Standard is a good hint that the launch is going to be soon. A certification request from Redmi Smartwatch with model number HMSH01GE was issued on the last Wednesday. Although the certificate says it is a smartwatch, there is a possibility that it is a fitness tracker, as BIS groups all smart wearables under smartwatches. Nevertheless, the certificate reveals that Redmi will be bringing its upcoming wearable to India. Therefore, should these leaks prove valid, it is possible that the brand is indeed preparing an entrance into the fitness tech market with even low price tag than Mi Bands. So hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Peace out.